But we've put somebody behind the wheel just in case, and, come on, dude, you're not tearing that off. So we'll stick 4 magnets to this window and attempt to carefully... Hey there, fellas. So here's what we have in mind for this video. You'll recall that we made a mag ride suspension, and here we have those magnets. On top of those we have this car, and another one over there. And in this video we're looking to try and test these magnets. Like, are they any good for towing? Say you drive over to help a buddy of yours. He doesn't have a hitch, but you can just slap a magnet onto his car and use it for towing. So that's what we're looking to try. And we'd better not stick 2 magnets to each other. It'll be impossible to pry them apart. But on the other hand, we've got 2 cars. Maybe we'll even be able to. But we're about to experiment and find that out, so let's go. Originally uploaded in 2019. Couldn't remove it the first time, but it easily came off the second time. 1 magnet is connected to the hitch. I'm going to pull up and see if we can get that ladder hooked up. What do you think? These are some mighty magnets. Come on. What's going on? A little bit more. Drive forward. Drive where now? Forward. That thing went on its own. 1 magnet doesn't want to hold on. The body panels don't quite match on these cars, so we just stuck the magnet to the front drive car, tied a rope to it, a short one. So it sticks quite well to thin metal, but it also quite easily rips off. Because of the powerful magnetic field, I don't know. The point is, it doesn't want to stick to thin metal. But let's give it a yank. No, that was a fail. But we've got a workaround. There we go. We've stuck a sledgehammer on this side. And let's see if it holds up now. It should, but let's go. There we go. This is going well. This is what I'll do to prevent it getting away from me. You would have noticed that with the sledgehammer on the other side we were happy to move along. But we did have to disengage because there was nobody controlling this car. You might recall the video we made where we were towing cars to show you how you should and shouldn't do it. And we didn't want for there to be any collisions. But now we're placing 1 magnet on one side and another one on the other side. And you can only imagine how tightly they'll be holding onto each other. But we've put somebody behind the wheel just in case, and, come on, dude, you're not tearing that off. I'm checking to see if they're tightly connected. See how well they're anchored? I think they're very tightly connected. Are you ready in there? Turn the key so the steering wheel doesn't lock. He's on his phone. Sit off smoothly. Sit off smoothly. Look at that, got torn off. That initial yank gave me the impression that the 2 cars were tied to each other with a rope. It's holding on. Second gear, we are moving. Holy cow! Turn too sharply, it would seem. Until we get them centered. From there we... There you go, look. Alright, now we're looking good. Whoa, careful there! No, we're good. We're about to see how durable the rear window is. On this rear drive Lada wagon. If only the rear hatch would close. Right? So far we're taking it easy. And we're moving. That's a pretty solid piece of glass. Look at how it's holding up. It is doing great. Isn't that something? Who would have expected such results? Nobody. If I'm being honest, this was not in our plans. We expected the glass to immediately shatter. But the door is getting slammed, we are jerking around a bit, we are turning after all. The magnet is shifted. Now, come on, stop. Alright, well done. Was even able to stop that rolling car. Awesome. Now we need to just find a way to disengage them. We won't be able to do that manually. Come on now, and excellent. The glass is even still intact. Isn't that something? Check that out, the glass is intact. But oh, there's film on there. It has gotten scratched, but screw it. Didn't even pull it all that hard. I guess they got dislodged and, Okay, so we've stuck one magnet underneath the fender, and now we're about to sandwich the other one on there. You remember where it is, right? Now? Oh, that's nice.
Ой-ой-ой! Ой-ой-ой!
Holy cow, for real? Okay, so you saw all of that with your own eyes. The fender got ripped off. Granted, it was quite rusty. But yeah, it successfully detached from the car. A bit of cleaning and you can slap a new one on. Now we want to try something similar with the rear fender. Though in its case, we're going to use two pairs of magnets. Two on this side, two on the other. Look at how it's bending, terrific. Well, two ain't bad, I mean... Okay, there we go. Nah, keep pulling on it slowly. Oh, come on. Wait. These have got some pull, holy cow. It's not pulling.
No.
Amazing how they're holding on. Now it's time to place your bets, gentlemen. Will the fender get ripped off or not? My guess is no, the upper portion is still intact. Come on, just a bit more. Very nice. Chuck that in there. But what do I tie this to? Excellent. Seems to be holding on. Doing a burnout. Yum. Okay, there we go. Right, well, hooray, two at once. What do we have here? The fender is pretty much cooked. Now we stick 4 magnets to this window and carefully attempt to extract it. Come on now. That's a piece of glass, mind you. It's about to turn it over. Really? Amazing. Now we try the window on the rear door. You may carefully proceed. It's bending the frame, can you imagine? Wait a second, Ivan. Oh, holy cow. That's amazing. And it detached. Excellent. Okay, here we go. Come on. Oh, seriously? We can't even remove glass using these magnets? Are they fitted that firmly? You can stop. Right, we've stuck on the magnets and put some metal in between them. A pretty thick piece. Now I'll try grazing that car. That didn't work. But what if I open the door like so? Hey man, why are you hitting my car with your door? I'm going to pull you with me now. Don't believe me? Watch this. Here we go. They are connected tightly. Wait a minute. I have confiscated all of your magnets. Check that out. Now we drive past each other at speed and see how the magnets behave. We were a bit careful there. Did I lose or gain one?
Оп.
Right. What happened though? Fell off. They fell off? Holy cow. You stole all of my magnets, Ivan. What's up with that? Right, guys, so that was our experiment with these search magnets. You saw us tear a fender off, almost ripped that second one off. They stick well together through glass, but yeah, the glass in these cars seems to be so firmly planted that these aren't generating enough force to break them. Now, one such magnet is rated at 600 kilos, and you might remember watching the magnetic suspension video. You witnessed what went on here, and in all honesty, we were expecting more. But we've never done this before. If you perhaps have your own interesting ideas, share them in the comments. We'll make them happen. We have these magnets, and why not use them for something? Maybe somebody out there knows how to make a great electromagnetic suspension. Please let us know. We'll think about it, make something happen. And this experiment has been a massive success. Send in your suggestions, comment, give this video a like, subscribe, and yeah, catch you later.